Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hauls, reviews, etc. So if you are someone who is interested in all those things, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Guys, from the title you know that I am going to talk about a very cool brand that I'm going to talk about later in the video. But first, let me introduce myself properly. My name is Atri, like I have told you, and I am a makeup and skincare enthusiast. And people always ask me that what is the secret of my skin, because it appears so youthful, so glowy and pimple free and everything. So I always tell them that I do follow a particular skincare routine. Now I am not telling you to follow a very rigorous skincare routine, but having a particular skincare routine is super important. You know, it's just like having water, sipping water, you know, having food, going to your workplace and everything. So skincare is also very important. But sadly, many of us, we don't take skincare as a very important part of our life. And even when we were kids, I remember when I was a kid, I always used to wash my face with a face wash. Yeah, when I was in 8th or 9th standard then, and also I used to apply a cream. But as in when I grew up, I got to know that what is good for my skin and what is that one thing which is really important in my skincare routine. So it's very important to have a skincare routine for an oily and a dry skin type, even normal skin type. Doesn't matter what skin type you are, but you need to have, I cannot emphasize on this, you need to have a skincare routine. See, as in when we apply skincare, we get to know that what are our skin's problem. So talking about my skin, so my skin's main problem is that my skin turns red and it does become a little dry, although I am an oily skin type and normal from my cheeks. So I am oily over here, very sweaty. I think my skin is very sweaty. I remember on my D-Day, on my wedding day, when I was having this makeup on my skin, my skin was sweating profusely. So in a skincare, I look for something which is very lightweight, which will not clog my pores and which will not make me sweat. So that's what I look into in a skincare product, because my skin is like that. And when I'm sitting in an air conditioner, my skin becomes dry. So I need something which is lightweight but will provide hydration as well. So now at the age of 30, I understood importance of a skincare and also what my skin needs. So definitely, as and when you invest in your skincare, you take proper knowledge of your skin, then only you will get to know that what all you need to include in your skincare routine. So guys, I found out about this amazing brand that is Nana, and it is 100% Ayurvedic brand. So the founder, Alka Punia, her daughter was suffering from dermatitis, and that's when she switched to Ayurveda. About Nana, they are 100% Ayurvedic, chemical and mineral oil free, don't have any paraben, any sulfates or any artificial ingredient, no perfume, no fragrance, nothing at all. Even they don't have a water in their products, because these are solid concentrate of oils and creams that makes their products unique in the Indian market. They are certified organic and petroleum and fragrant free products. They don't have preservative in their products, and that's an amazing part, because they don't use water in their products. So their products are hygienic and you don't have that notion of getting bacteria in the products. That their products are handmade with love and care. Now let me talk about their website first. Their website is super duper beautiful. So whenever you will type Nana, you will find the website, and the best part about the website is that it is very informative. That is, if you click on a product, for example, if you click on take their eye cream, Eye Nutri Balm. So when you click at that product, you will see that there are so many instructions. They also tell you how to use the product and what is the price of the product, of course, and what are the ingredients in the product, and full ingredient list is available there. Customer support is available. So anything you want to know about the brand, it is readily available on their website. So it's a really nice planned website, because I haven't seen a lot of brand doing that, because they have also included description, how to use ingredients, and you know, how you can definitely make the best use of these products. So I really love their website. It is beautifully organized and each and everything is there. So you can definitely check out their website. It is very pleasing to my eyes. So definitely website is very easy and user friendly. I received 3 products from Nana. So in fact I chose 3 products from their website, and I'll tell you why I chose them. Because first of all, my skin is oily skin type, and although my skin is normal, so you can say that mine is a combination skin type. So I was looking for some products which are not oily, and they will provide hydration as well. So I have selected these 3 products. The packaging of the very first product is like this. This is this Nana Kokum Frankincense face cream for normal skin type, and this retails for 1200 rupees for 25 grams of product, and it comes with a red cardboard and white. So it's a mixture of red and white color. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. So every detail is given right over here. So you can use this product within 1 year, because it does not have any preservative, so that is why you need to use it. And the application benefits and everything is mentioned on the outer cardboard packaging, which is very rare in other skincare brands. So the inner packaging, this is how it looks like. Now it looks super luxurious because the look and feel of the products are really luxurious. So you will see Snana is written over here, and all the packaging comes in this black tub, and everything whatever is required is written on its lid. You can see they have mentioned a few of the ingredients, how to use it, and the name of the cream. Open it, you can see the texture of the cream is a little bit thick because it is in concentrate form. You can see this, so they have deliberately done it. Now when you apply this, this is how you use the cream, and the cream is really emollient. You won't be needing anything else to use the cream, and when you apply it, you can see instantly your skin has this glow, and definitely it is not at all greasy or whatsoever. The next product which I received is Snana. This is the mom and dad oil. That means mom and dad both can use this. These products are unisex. So this has black cumin, rosemary. This is age delaying rose oil for, this is age delaying face oil for oily skin, and it has 30 ml of product, and it retails for 1280 rupees. Now again, the benefits applications are mentioned on the outer packaging itself. So the shelf life is 1 year again. Now it does contain jojoba oil, black cumin seed oil, hemp seed oil, watermelon seed oil, and many essential oil which are really good for aged skin. How the inner packaging looks like, very similar to their theme. So this is their theme, the golden cap and the black body. So yeah, definitely, you know, you do have a lot of information on the body as well. It's really thoughtful of them to include the shelf life on the body as well. So when you open this, it does come in a pump packaging, if you can see, and you can pour the oil very easily, and this is how the oil looks like. Now talking about the oil, it is very lightweight. It absorbs immediately in your skin. This is for oily skin, by the way. So it's a myth that oily skin people cannot use oil, but you can definitely use it. It is really good for your aged skin, mature skin. So anyone above 30 can use this oil. Now the last product is this one. This is Snana Eye Nutri Balm. This is for 790 rupees for 15 ml or 15 gram. Now this is their Eye Nutri Balm. It retails for 790 rupees for 15 gram of products, and again all the things, all the ingredients are mentioned over here. This is how the inner packaging looks like. Again, all the information are given in the outer packaging, and it has beeswax, cocoa butter, almond oil, apricot kernels, grapeseed oil infused with coffee, carrot seed oil, and many more, which are really good for your puffy under eyes, dark circles. So an amazing product for that. And again, it is in the solidified form, concentrate form, and this is how you have to take it out, and you can apply a tiny bit. You just need this much, and this is super moisturizing, guys. If you have dry under eyes, this is going to take care of all of it. So it's an amazing product for people who suffer from dark under eyes or puffy under eyes like my. Okay, so let's talk about my experience with their product. So the very first thing is this Kokum Frankincense face cream, which can be used by male, female both, and if you are 29 above, you can definitely use this cream. And me and my husband, we both love this cream because first of all, it's very hydrating and it's not at all greasy. And I love using this specifically in the night time because I think this cream just works better on me in night. So if I talk about the ingredients, this cream does have shea butter, it has apricot kernel oil, does have jojoba oil, beeswax, kokum butter, lavender essential oil. Now talking about lavender essential oil, it just adds a moisture and it helps in retention of that moisture. So if you are someone who is having a little bit of dry skin, like dry cheeks, so you can definitely use this cream, and it also reduces any dryness of the skin. So if you have dry patches, lavender is going to help to curb all those dry patches. Apricot kernel oil, it is very lightweight oil and it gets into the skin, it dissolves into the skin really quickly, and it has anti-aging properties also. And if I talk about geranium, it helps in skin's elasticity. So it is really good for someone who is going to get 30 or is 30 above. In all, what I have seen that this cream makes my face really soft, supple, and the moisture is there. Now if you have a little bit difficulty in applying this cream, so when you apply this, just apply a toner and then massage the cream into your skin. It will penetrate easily. But what I felt was that this is really, if you take the cream in your fingertips and just massage a little bit, so it becomes, you know, more and you can use on your face after that if you don't want to use toner or water or anything of like that. So I love using it that way. I just take the cream onto my fingertips and then massage it a bit. With the heat of your fingertips, it just spreads, it becomes emollient, and then you apply it. It just applies beautifully. So I didn't face any type of breakout after using this cream, and it does make my skin really hydrated, and enjoy using this cream in particular. About this face oil, this is black cumin and rosemary age delaying face oil for oily skin. Now for oily skin, yes, you heard me right. So I was really intrigued to buy this. And by the way, these products, they don't have chemical fragrance. The fragrance feels like these are Ayurvedic. Trust me, the fragrance is super duper natural. This is really good for acne prone skin. It helps you to heal, it helps your skin to heal on its own, and it is super lightweight. So if you are oily skin, of course, that's why you are going to use this. It just penetrates into your skin really quick, absorbs really quick, and you can see that my skin doesn't feel oily. It does have this shine going on, but it's not feeling oily or sweaty or whatsoever. It not only moisturizes your skin but also maintains skin balance. So decreases the itching problem, which I do have. I do get a lot of itchiness, especially around here. So it helps in curbing that, as well as it helps in reducing inflammation. Now I would suggest you to use it during your bedtime, and that at that point it will be better, because you know, oils are definitely, they work better if you use them in night. That's what I suggest. Lastly, I have their eye Nutri Balm. So I was looking for a really good eye cream, and my search ended when I got this one. Now this does reduce your dark circle, your puffiness, and it has this beautiful texture. Again, what I like to do is I like to take a little bit and I just like to massage it between my little finger, and then I just apply it in circular motion. You must have seen in the video where I am trying this out. So definitely I felt a difference in my under eye circles. I don't have dark circles, but I do have puffy eyes, so it did take care of my puffy eyes, and it did give my eyes moisture, under eyes moisture. And if you are someone who applies makeup, you can definitely apply makeup on the eye Nutri Balm, because although it is in balmy consistency, but still the concealer is going to lay on this cream beautifully, trust me. all in all, I would like to say that this is a really good brand. What I can see, it seems promising a lot, and it is a little bit different from your regular brands. So they do believe in Ayurveda, which I think is the need of the hour, and I would definitely recommend you to use at least one of the products. I am going to leave all the links, everything in the description box. Make sure to check them out, and yeah, let me know if these products work for you, if you have ever used them. And yeah, definitely I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.